Hi, my name is Lori Priller, and I am a Agile Lean practitioner. I help organizations do transformation using Lean and Agile at scale. I started off as a banker, a bank teller, and moved into HR, moved into accounting, and then found myself in the IT world, which then put me in a position to become a subject matter expert for workflow automation, and that was some 20 years ago. So here I am today helping organizations do their Agile and their Lean transformations. I also do training, and that also puts me in a place where I am a lifelong learner. So I do enjoy learning myself and growing in the newest and latest business capabilities. I am helping an entire internal IT operation, technical capability organization to help expand, automate, streamline, improve, build the most important parts and pieces for their technology capabilities for their customer. As a scaled agile transformation consultant, it's very important for me to stay up on the latest learnings and findings. The training is very holistic from a transformation perspective. I am getting my hands in a lot of different areas. I'm really, really thankful for the knowledge that I'm getting from this course to help me apply it in my transformation activities as well. I really enjoy my trainer. I think he's a very, very sharp person. He definitely knows what he's doing. The course content is right on. I should say I'm challenged to keep up with it, and that's a good thing. It's not just go attend the course and then take a quick and easy exam and then you're done. There's a lot of application. The content is right on par for what I need. The trainer is a very, very experienced and skilled trainer. Oh, yes, I'm feeling very confident. In fact, I find myself going down a rabbit hole because there's so much new ways of thinking and working with this new knowledge, and these tools have been placed at my fingertips. Each week, I am presented with knowledge that is something I can apply right away. So I immediately go out and use it. I also get to work in the class with a lot of technical people, those guys that are building those tools, writing those algorithms. So boy, that's a really good insight that I'm getting from that group of students as well. I usually spend the weekend with my grandkids. That's really about it for me. So when I'm not pub hopping in England, I'm with my grandkids. I have 5 grandkids, and so I enjoy spending as much time with them as I possibly can. So for me, I am super excited with how I'm going to be applying AI into my work as well as my personal life. So it is, we can't go back, folks. We need to just take advantage of this opportunity, build on your knowledge, and then just apply these new tools to make your world, your life, a lot more easier.